Hey, it's Alex with Premier Credit Consulting. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Need to give a shout out to all of our Midwest referral partners. You guys are killing it. Want to give a shout out to Thomas, our account manager in that region. So excited for the progress that you're making, my friend. You're doing an amazing job. But wanted to get a video series revived here, the credit inquiry, on a weekly basis. To talk a little bit more about mortgage and real estate specific topics when it comes to credit. And today I felt like it was appropriate to bring up purchasing power. In this market, it is so competitive. Everybody's feeling the squeeze. And there are a lot of qualified buyers out there who are unfortunately not in a position to be able to afford their home. And through our responsible credit repair platform, we believe that we have an option to help them increase their purchasing power by improving their credit scores and getting them into a better position to actually close on a home. There are a couple different ways that we can do this. One, we provide a free evaluation, can have a conversation about how they can utilize their credit cards and revolving lines of credits to maximize their overall credit score and credit worthiness. And then we have more in-depth options in terms of resolving outdated collections or resolving accounts that are holding back their credit scores from what they could potentially be if those accounts were to be resolved. Credit repair in this market is absolutely essential to help people improve their purchasing power and get into a position to credit qualify. Here in Utah, for example, I'm on the website here for the Salt Lake Board of Realtors with a 12-month forecast of 12 to 15% increase in price. And this is going to be something that will probably continue. And we are seeing a flood of clients right now who are coming in the low 600s to mid 600s, trying to get over that 700 credit score threshold so that they can get into a position to qualify for their home loan. And that is something that we absolutely thrive on. So if you have clients who are in need of trying to maximize their purchasing power, trying to get into a position to credit qualify, and trying to compete in this market, send them our way for a free evaluation and we'll get them ready to credit qualify and hopefully over the finish line to close on their home. Overall, so many of you have been there for us during the pandemic. So many of you have been really our lifeblood as referral partners, and I wanted to sincerely thank you for your continued trust in our services. We've made dramatic improvements to our overall customer experience with the implementation of a customer experience dedicated team. We've also improved our service lineup, including rental reporting, where we can report trade lines to the credit bureaus with Equifax and TransUnion that report as a lease that will trigger a credit score change with FICO, as well as enhanced performances with our traditional credit repair services, including direct creditor negotiation. So if we can be of value to you, please let us know. But thank you to all of our referral partners. Again, thank you to our amazing account managers and our team. And if you have people who are trying to maximize their purchasing power, send them our way for a free evaluation and we'll get them ready to go. Have a wonderful day. Hope everybody is safe and healthy, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.